Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Find the next term of the given sequence, and the sequence is 6, 13, 27, 55, 111 and 223. So we have to find what will be the next term. So here we can observe that the pattern is, we can see when 6 goes to 13, it can be written as 6 multiplied by 2 plus 1, because 6 multiplied by 2 is 12 plus 1 13. Similarly, 13 multiplied by 2 plus 1 will give 27, and 27 multiplied by 2 plus 1 will give 55, and 55 multiplied by 2 plus 1 will give 111. Similarly, 111 multiplied by 2 plus 1 will give 223. So the next term will be something like this: 223 multiplied by 2 plus 1. So let us simplify this and obtain the answer. So we can say that observing above pattern, the next term is 223 multiplied by 2 plus 1, which after simplification becomes 447, which is option D. Hence we can say that the answer is option D.